What you doing? Is that fun to play with? Are you finger painting with avocado? Got the nice little kitty litter in the background there, huh? I think you're done. Did you get some in your mouth? Look at that face. Are you using the bathroom? No, not with your messy hands.